Hey guys, today we're in the shop with our KRX4 1000 and I just got done installing these Tusk Rock Sliders. Now we already have a skid plate on our machine, but we wanted additional protection while we're out on those more aggressive trails and when we're rock crawling. So if this sounds like you, you're definitely going to want to check these out and get some on your machine. Now these are super durable and they're pretty simple to install. So let's go ahead and get started. And to do that, we need to gain access to the mounting locations. We're going to remove them from the body. So for the front and rear panels, you've got 12 screws that you need to remove, and then you've got 3 trim clips as well. So now that we have our rocker panels on the bench, we're going to use a 1 3/8 inch hole saw, or you can even use a 1 1/2 inch hole saw if you want a little bit of play to make some adjustments once the rock sliders are in place. I want to support the back side of the plastic with a wooden block. You've got 5 dimples in the sides of these, and if you're not sure, on the back you're going to have a little ring, and that's exactly where you want to be drilling. And if you want to clean that up, you can use a little bit of sandpaper or even a round file. And then we're just going to do those same steps on the remaining 3 dimples. Now that we have our holes drilled, we're going to reinstall these panels the same way they came off. Now with the panels back in place, I'm going to install the driver's side rock slider first. We're going to start in the back, and I'm going to use the spacer. I'm going to set that in place, and we're using the longer bolt. And after that, we can move to the next most forward mounting location, and the rest of these are going to use the smaller bolts. Now that we have all of the bolts loosely installed, we're going to torque these down to 53 foot-pounds. So that's it for installing the Tusk Rock Sliders on your KRX4 1000. If you need these, click the link in the description below. You can find them on our website. And if you like this video and want to see more helpful content, whether it's that skid plate or anything else for your KRX, you're going to want to subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.